College has issued a flash flood warning for Northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, west central Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, Northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 12:15 a.m. At 10:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin.
A flash flood warning has been issued for Cumberland County, Dauphin County, Lebanon County, and York County, effective until 12:36 a.m.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County, in south central Pennsylvania, west central Lebanon County, in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County, in south central Pennsylvania.
Palmyra, New
Until
Cumberland,
12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Steelton, Lemoyne.
10:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen in the warned area over the past 90 minutes, and an additional 1 inch of rain is expected between 10 and 11 p.m. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Harrisburg, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Linglestown, NOAA, Steelton, Lemoyne, Hummelstown, Paxtonia, Rutherford, Skyline View, Lawton, and Valley Green. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turnaround: Dante drown when encountering flooded roads.
He said Dante
Most
drown.
flood deaths occur in vehicles.
That was funny. Dante drowned instead of don't drown. He said Dante drowned.
So I can donate.
That's funny.